Exactly. Is she like a spider or something?
Oh, we going out? That's it. Namas.
Different hats. Hola, buenos días. Tomemos asiento, chicos. How much for coconut?
130 pesos.
You like coconut? Gracias, señor.
You guys are going to be swimming for 300 to 400 meters. At no point are we going to be near you guys, alright? Once you guys are in the water, adios, you guys are on your own with the guys. Just come back on board and we take you up north. Up north, that's where your shopping is at. Ladies, your favorite sport is right there, alright? So guys, get ready with that.
¿Qué hubiera sido si antes te hubiera conocido? Por un besito hago cualquier cosa. La novia suya me pone celosa. Como me lo hoy estás jangueando con ella, pero después tal vez no hubiera sido.
Hello. It's so beautiful out here. Oh my goodness.
It's gorgeous.
Look at all those people snorkeling.
Ahí va a tener una playa, se va a poder disfrutar de ella.
My champion never come this way. Saraya, Zoya, Alea. Samuel is somewhere in the park. I don't know where exactly. And Saraya is coming. Oh, Samuel is back there. I see him now.
Mask, please.
How was it? Good. Yours, huh? Yours, it was good.
Did you see everything under there?
Jacket, please. Mask. Life jacket, please.
Samuel is the last one coming back, but he did it. He did it. Yep. He's the smallest one out there anyway. Oh, my little boy. High five. You did it. Wow.